Hey everyone, Jay here with LMR.com. Today we'll be showing you the steps on how to remove your inner splash shields on your 1999 to 2004 Mustangs. The splash shield removal process can be needed from time to time. This can include anything from replacing a damaged part to deep cleaning on your Mustang. Follow along and we will show you how simple this is. First, start by supporting your vehicle via a lift or jacks and jack stands. Remove your front wheels from the car. Next, you will need to remove your Phillips head screws and both push pins associated with the lower fender molding. Then on the front edge of the splash shield, you will need to remove the Phillips head screw on the front bumper section as well. Moving to the inner splash shield, locate all 4 of the push pins and remove these from the vehicle using your trim pry tool. Pull on each side of the splash shield and roll each side inward to release this from the inner fender lip. Alright everyone, this one cannot be an easier one to do. This one should roughly take you about a half an hour from start to finish. Basic hand tools include a screwdriver set, push pin removal tools, and jacks and jack stands. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed to our channel and turn on notifications so that you can be up to date with any new tech content we release. As always, keep it here with the real Mustang enthusiasts at LMR.com.